Welcome back to What You Want to Get Which You Want. In this video, we are exploring one of the most common and effective ways to structure modern software, layered or n-tiar architecture. Ever wondered how your favorite e-commerce sites or banking apps keep everything organized? Stick around to find out. Layered architecture. In software, these layers typically include the presentation layer, business logic layer, data access layer, and the database layer. Each layer serves a specific function, making the system modular and easy to maintain. Architecture layer is a design pattern that organizes a system into a separate distinct layer. Each layer has a specific role and communicates only with the layer directly above or below it, much like the floor in a building. Think of it as a multi-story building. The ground floor might be public access, which can be called as presentation layer, while the floor above handle internal operations like business logic and data storage. Key layers. Presentation layer is the front end of the application, the interface users interact with. For an e-commerce site, this layer displays product listing, shopping carts, and checkout pages. It's all about creating a user-friendly experience. Business logic layer. This processes the core functionality and roles of the application. When you add an item to your cart, this layer verifies the stock, calculates discount, and processes the order. It's like the operation center that makes decision. Data access layer, we also can call it persistence layer. Here the application communicates with databases. It abstracts direct database operation from the rest of the system. For example, when you check your order history, this layer fetches the necessary data without exposing the complexities of the database. Database layer is where all the data is stored, whether it's SQL, non-SQL, or another type of data. In a banking application, this layer holds account information, transaction records, and more, ensuring data integrity and security. Now let's consider why you might choose a layer architecture and some of its trade-offs. Firstly, we will see its advantages. Separation of concerns. Each layer is responsible for a specific aspect of the system, making development and troubleshooting easier. Maintainability. Updates or changes can often be made to one layer without affecting other. Scalability. Individual layer can be scaled independently if needed. Now we will see its disadvantages. Perform overhead. Its passing data through multiple layers can sometimes slow down the system. Rigid structure. Changes in business requirements might require adjustments across several layers, which can be time consuming. For example, a banking app, while its layer design makes it secure and maintainable, it may introduce slight delay if every transaction has to pass through multiple processing steps. Next, we will see real-world examples. Let's look at a couple of real-world example scenarios to see layered architecture in action. Firstly, we will see e-commerce platform. Its presentation layer displays products, handles user sessions, and processes search queries. Business logic layer manages shopping cart operations, applies discount, and calculates taxes. Data access layer interfaces with product and order databases. Database layers stores inventory details, customer information, and order history. Next, we will see banking application. Banking applications presentation layer provides a secure login interface and dashboard for account details. Its business logic layer validates transactions, manages account operations, and enforces security protocols. Data access layer communicates with backend databases to fetch transaction data. Database layer holds customer data, transaction record, and financial statement. Today in this video, we studied layer architecture organizes software into clear manageable segments which enhances maintainability and scalability while ensuring a structured flow of data. This model is widely used in many industries from online retail to finance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to what you want for more deep dives into software architecture, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. In next video, we will explore event-driven architecture, how it powers real-time applications like messaging apps and stock trading platforms. You wouldn't want to miss it. Thank you.